Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to create the wing of the airplane. I'm super excited because we're almost halfway there. We are 4/12 of the way, including this video, which means we're 1/4 of the way. Hip hip hooray! So let's go. Let's create our wing. So what we're going to do first is I'm gonna first check the sketch to make sure I'm not going to do anything wrong and screw it up. But okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to first start off by creating a new part studio. We're going to come to our tab, bottom tab here. We're going to select the plus sign and click on create part studio. Then what we're going to do is, as always, right click and click on rename, and we're going to label it wing. Oops. So we're going to right click and label it wing. Oh my god. Right click and label it wing. I said that 3 times now. I'm so sorry, guys. It's probably pretty annoying. But what we're going to do is I'm going to check what plane did I sketch this on. Okay, I sketched this on the top plane. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click and select make a sketch on our top plane, right click again, and click on view normal sketch plane. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create our rectangle, a center point rectangle. We're going to select the center, zoom out, and click. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come to dimensions, and we're going to select the base or the bottom edge, select and click on 8 inches. Then we're going to select the edge, our width, for being fancy here, and make it 2 inches. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make arcs. So if you watched my, oh my god, yeah, was it her? Yeah, horizontal stabilizer video, you know that we're going to be using a center point arc, and we're going to be using the same technique here. We're going to hover over the line. We're going to hover over a line here. We're going to select the midpoint. We're going to click and drag until we reach one point of the end of the rectangle, or one end of the rectangle. We're going to click and we're going to drag until we reach the exact ending point of the rectangle. We're going to repeat the same steps for the other side. So we're going to hover over until we find the midpoint of that edge. Select and drag to the ending of the base of the ending of the side of the rectangle. Right click and drag until we reach this point, and we're going to click escape. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create a center point circle right on this edge over here. We're going to create it right there. Select and drag out, and do the same for our second one down here. And voila. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to dimension, and we're gonna dimension. And so we're gonna drag out and make it 0.25 inches. And we're gonna make the other one 0.25 inches as well. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna zoom in. We're going to select the middle of our circle and select the edge of our big rectangle, and make it 0.25 inches. And we're going to do the same for our bottom one, 0.25 inches. And voila. Now, I don't want to go through the same pain of carefully dimensioning each piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror this entire image, right? So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to come to my line tool, and I'm going to select construction line. Now what construction line does is it makes sure that you don't select it doesn't count the line as part of the original sketch. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it big so we can see it, and click escape. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to our mirroring tool. We're going to select our mirroring line, which is the construction tool, and we're going to zoom in and select the outside of the circle, like so. Voila! Now what we're going to do is we're going to finish the sketch, and we're going to go to extrude. And when we're extruding, what we want to do is we want to select everything but the circles. So it's going to be two tiny holes, right? So we're going to select this, that, and that. So you should have three parts selected here. And then we're going to finish our extrusion. And voila, we're going to click P. And now what we're going to do is we're going to assign it a different color. So I'm going to right click and click on edit appearance. And I'm going to make it a nice orange color. I don't know. I'm feeling quite orangey today. Not that, no, that wasn't funny. Okay. So we're going to finish we're going to confirm. And we're going to look at it in isometric view. Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. I chose the wrong extrusion depth. Oops. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to extrusion, right click, and click on edit. So, and we're going to make the extrusion depth 0.25 inches, like so. And we're going to finish. Yay! Now that is what it should look like, right? So, yeah, that is how you make the wing of a toy airplane. So, if you guys have any questions, as always, please do put them down in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you on them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!